What's up, YouTube? It is your girl. I am the Crazy Natural Princess, coming to you today with another crochet hairstyle. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This hairstyle is featuring Model Ziggy Curl Color 1. I think this hair is 8 inches long, and wanted longer hair. So, as in a previous crochet installation, which will be linked in the description box, I used 2 pieces of hair to achieve longer length. So when I got to the middle of my head, it is wider. So of course I wanted to speed up the process. I used 4 pieces of hair to thicken it up to get through this crochet installation. I will come back in a few. Please continue to watch, and I really hope you enjoy this video.
next day, and the next day.
I really wanted to complete the rest of this installation on camera, so a week had actually passed before I completed this installation. I wore a top bun and used bobby pins to camouflage, and really was hoping that it wouldn't come down because that would have been totally embarrassing. So when I got to the front of my hair, I resumed using two pieces so that it wasn't as bulky and the invisible knot. I did try pulling it apart to make it less bulky. It was very frizzy. I didn't want the look of having old hair and just completing this installation. So I went back to using just two pieces of hair. So we will continue on with this video. I trimmed my hair off camera, and I usually wear the half up, half down do, and so far this is the look that I have. And I did trim some more even after this because there was a lot of hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.